Hey guys, my name is Alicia. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. Today I wanted to do a video that's inspired by Mitchell or MMM Mitchell on Instagram. I will link him down below, but he is such an amazing artist and he's so young and it's just awesome to see somebody who is so incredibly talented. And I found one of his more, I guess you can say, neutral looks on Instagram and I absolutely loved it. I will put a little clip of it here so you guys can see the image, but it's absolutely amazing and I just thought it was so pretty with the pop of green and how smoked out it was. So I really wanted to recreate that look. So if you guys would like to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so to start this look, which I've already done, is I just prime my eyes with my MAC's Layin Low Paint Pot and I just set that with my face powder. So we're going to be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light eyeshadow palette today. Mine is a little dirty looking. And I think I'm going to start off with this shadow here. And this one is called Latinus. And I'm just going to take the shadow and lightly blend it up into the crease. And with this, I'm just going to be doing a little bit more of a rounded shape than I normally do with my eyeshadow looks. And then I'm also taking that shadow on the same brush and just bringing that down onto the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to be taking this shadow here, which is called Sytry, and I'm just using the same brush that I used to apply that first shadow. And again, just following that into the crease. So guys, I don't know where all of you are from, but from where I'm from, because I live in New Hampshire, it is like freezing outside. It was freaking like 90 or 80 degrees last week, and now it's like in the 50s and 60s, so it's pretty cold. We're all dressing like it's winter here pretty much right now, so I don't know what's going on. But then it's supposed to be 80 again during the week, so I have no idea. No clue. The weather's crazy, but fall is upon us, I think, which I'm pretty excited about just because I like Halloween. I'm pretty obsessed with it, actually. It's more than a like situation, but I am excited to get all my Halloween stuff and decorate more of my house because that's how I decorate my house. I have to wait until this time of year to get home decor. And again, same thing with the shadow. Just bringing it right down onto that lower lash line and really smoking it out. So I just cleaned off my brush and I'm taking a little bit more of Latinus and I am just blending out the edges to make it really, really smoky. I want this to be a pretty grungy look, so that is what we are going to hopefully achieve. And I'm just doing like really tiny circular strokes to blend this out. I saw this as one of Mitchell's techniques that he does, and I really, really like it. So I wanted to see, you know, how it'll play out when I do it, and I think it blends really, really nice. Okay, now I'm going to go into this shadow here, which is called Solas, and it's just a deeper brown. And I'm taking a clean blending brush with this one. And again, just piling these shadows into that crease area and blending them out. I'm keeping them lower and lower as I go though. I'm not blending them as far up, just so there's a little bit more of a gradient going on there. With this one too, I'm really kind of digging it deeper into that inner corner. I'm not really blending it far out towards the nose. Because in the picture that I'm going off of for this look, he has it more, it seems like it's more concentrated, so that's kind of what I'm going for. So I know that back when I started doing my videos again, I told you guys that I had a knee injury and I'm going back to the doctor this week. So I'm hoping that I'll be kind of cleared, so to say. It's going to be a long time before it's going to be close to 100%, but at least I can hopefully start doing a little more with working it out to build up that muscle again, because I lost a ton of muscle mass, which pretty bummed about. So I really just want to get that starting to build it up again, just because it's still pretty weak, and I think that that'll definitely help along with PT and all of that. So the joys of being 30 years old. But I don't know. I just want to get this over with. It's been quite a long road, almost 3 months. So I just kind of want to move on from it and just get stronger again. Alright, now we're going to go into Shax, which is this matte black shadow here. And again, just with a blending brush and really smoking that out. just to give some dimension. And I'm leaving the center open for a purpose because in the picture he does have glitter on the center of the lid, so what I'm going to do is put a lighter shadow and then put glitter over top of it. So that's why I'm leaving that part open. Eyes are watering like crazy. I don't know what's going on, but it needs to stop because I don't want it to ruin my makeup. And again, smoking that down onto that lower lash line. I'm not blending it as far out as I did those other brown shades just because I want to concentrate this one and then use the other shades to kind of buff everything out a little bit further. So we'll kind of try and concentrate that a tiny bit more towards the lash line. And again, just going in with that first shadow that we used and blending all of those edges out so it's a nice buffed out look. Okay, now I'm just taking that first shadow that we used and I'm placing that one in the center of the lid. And then I'm just going to blend in those edges. I didn't add any extra product to this brush, it's just from whatever of the black was left. And I'm going to take a mixture of 2 of the Stila Cosmetics Magnificent Metals, and I'm using Smoky Storm and Smoldering Satin for these. So what I'm going to do with these shadows is just place them right over top of where we put that shadow. On the waterline and inner corner for the look that Mitchell did, he ended up using a lime green. So I'm just going to be taking Inglot Gel Liner in number 85. And then for the inner corner, this lime green from the Zulu palette from Juvia's place. And what I'm going to do is just first put my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk just in the inner corner. And then I'm just going to top it with that eyeshadow. Alright guys, I'm loving how this look is coming out so far. So what I'm going to do is just quickly go off camera and do my liner, lashes, and mascara, and then I'll show you how we're going to finish up this look. Alrighty guys, so here is the final look. I'm absolutely loving it. I am so happy with how this came out. So to quickly go over the rest of what I did, for my liner on my upper lash line, I just used my Kat Von D liner in Trooper. And for my lashes, I ended up using the House of Lashes Noir Fary. And these are wicked comfortable. I didn't think that they would be, judging by what they looked like. I did have to cut them down quite a bit. They're pretty long, but I absolutely love how they look, and they're super fluffy and just really comfortable to wear. So for my lips, which I'm absolutely loving, I ended up using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Los Angeles, and I topped that with my MAC Half and Half Amplified Lipstick. And then over top of that, for a little bit of gloss in the center, I ended up using the Bite Beauty French Press Lip Gloss, and this one is in Vanilla Latte. Alright guys, I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial and found it to be helpful. I will link Mitchell's Instagram down below. He is absolutely amazing. He is such a talented artist, and I just absolutely love his work, so that's why I wanted to do a look that was inspired by him. Alright guys, as always, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and make sure to like this video if you liked it, and also make sure to hit that notification bell so you guys know when I am posting my videos. I also do have my Instagram as well as my Twitter linked down below in the description box, so make sure to check those out as well. Alright guys, I will talk to you in the next video. Bye!